Stop spending hundreds on skincare. These 11 foods will give you glowing, youthful skin in just 7 days, and number 8 reverses aging from the inside out. Dermatologists don't want you to know this secret. Here's the truth: healthy skin isn't created by expensive creams, it's built from within. Your diet is the most powerful anti-aging tool you have. Today I'm revealing 11 science-backed foods that transform your skin naturally. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and like every organ, it needs specific nutrients to stay strong, supple, and radiant. These foods provide protein, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants that boost collagen and fight aging. Food number 1, avocado, liquid gold for your skin. Packed with monounsaturated fats that lock in moisture and reduce inflammation. Plus vitamins E and C that boost elasticity and fight free radicals. Your skin's hydration hero. Food number 2, bell peppers, collagen boosters. More vitamin C than oranges. Essential for collagen production and protecting against UV damage. Red peppers have the highest vitamin C content, eat them daily. Food number 3, sardines, omega-3 powerhouse. Rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s that maintain skin elasticity. Plus vitamin D, selenium, and calcium for cell repair. Small fish, huge skin benefits. Food number 4, kefir, gut health equals skin health. This probiotic-rich drink balances your gut microbiome, which directly impacts skin clarity. Healthy gut equals glowing skin, it's that simple. Food number 5, almonds, sun protection in a nut. Richest source of vitamin E, your skin's natural sunscreen. They protect against UV damage and support gut health, reducing acne and inflammation. Food number 6, strawberries, nature's anti-ager. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that fight inflammation and repair skin cells. Fresh or frozen, both work their magic year-round. Food number 7, kiwi, hydration hero. Packed with vitamin C for collagen production and high water content for natural hydration. 1 kiwi daily gives you elasticity and that natural glow. Food number 8, tomatoes, UV shield from within. Rich in lycopene, which protects against sun damage and prevents wrinkles. Pro tip: cooked tomatoes have more lycopene than raw. Food number 9, walnuts, plant-based omega-3s. Keep skin hydrated and reduce inflammation. They also feed beneficial gut bacteria for clearer, healthier skin. Brain food that loves your skin. Food number 10, spinach, regeneration superstar. Vitamins A and C, iron, and magnesium support cell regeneration and UV protection. Popeye knew something about staying young. Food number 11, grapes, youth in every bite. Contains resveratrol and ellagic acid that improve UV resistance and reduce DNA damage. Red grapes are the most powerful anti-agers. There's your 11 food blueprint for glowing skin. Start with 3 foods this week and add more gradually. Remember, beauty starts from within. Which food will you try first? Comment below and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets.